All right, Drew's got a new idea. Here's how we're gonna paint this Hino.
I think I'm gonna pull all 4 doors off and paint the cab as one whole. And then paint the doors.
I think that makes sense.
So, I mean, I'd like to paint the doors on the truck, but if I'm spraying and I want to get it even, it's going to build up too much because I'm painting the inside.
It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to move them, like open and close. Yeah.
Completely. So we got to figure out the wires and unplug it, and then just tape it off.
Yeah.
Got to get this off still, and then I can paint the whole cab. As one.
Yeah. It's gonna happen.
Finally, normal, almost.
Oof.
I still can only bend it that much, but it feels like the first day. So it's going back, right?
All right, let's get these doors off.
Doors be gone. This is the Hino headquarters BC branch. We're taking the beast apart.
Look at all those pieces. You remember where they went? Hopefully we got some video.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we have video. All right, it's only half Hino that's done. It's only this half, and I gotta go and do the other side too. Take those doors off so we can have complete access to all the nooks and crannies. This way, nicely sanded down. This used to be a fire truck, and now it's just on fire. It's on fire. It's being properly disassembled for a proper overland build. I think it's going to be available for purchase. If somebody wants it, come back in August and it can be yours.
All right, we're pretty much ready for paint here. We're going to push the truck back in here pretty quick. Couple steering components left to attach. Tilt the cab and build the battery hold down battery box drawer. The rear cutout panel installed last night. Take out those screws, replace them with rivets. Love the stance on this thing.
May 29, checking in with a big update. Today is the day. Can't paint outside because it's still stormy. We had a lot of rain, so we're painting inside. And finally, we are officially saying goodbye to the Firetruck Red. It's the end for you, my friend. It's the end. Ready to inhale some good stuff? Get high?
Yeah, I already been inhaling lacquer for the last half hour.
Sweet. Let's get high.
Got my lightsaber.
Lightsaber. Who's your father?
I am your father. Who's my mommy?
All right, we are officially ready. By the way, this is the color, and this is how it looks on the surface.
Saber.
Let's go.
Saber Sand is the name.
Get up.
The Fuso is olive green. This one, we wanted some change, wanted something different. Well, I have a hunch that this is gonna look super sick. The Fuso has been in the center of the attention.
Too long now.
Well, yeah, too long now, yeah. So this one is gonna steal more hearts, I believe. This is gonna be an even more epic project. I would almost say with maybe some better details too, but that's evolution, right?
Well, you got to learn from experience. Like,
Doesn't mean that Fuso is bad.
no,
it's
just a totally
awesome.
different animal.
And then we've also learned quite a bit throughout the process of building the Fuso, and hopefully more. Time will tell.
Oh, I love that contrast.
Yeah, I know, the black and the
Happy that
sand.
red's gone.
Yeah, the red just wasn't meant to be. For Overland.
Maybe that guy that complained that it was army colors
Yeah.
should get a red one.
Oh, what if they mistaken you for army? I'm like, well, we're not going to those countries, man.
That's why you carry guns.
Yeah.
You're shooting me, I'll shoot back.
Well, big day. The Firetruck Red's gone. We have Saber Sand. Welcome to the Overland Rigs family. Hino Dutro, Hino Dutro.
Rio calls it Hino.
Oh, it's a Hino. Used to be Firetruck. It's gonna be an Overland 4x4. Awesomeness.
I like it. White color.
Yeah. Beautiful. Very beautiful.